tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for central Shelby County, southwestern Auglaize County, until 4:30 a.m. At 3:55 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Fort Loramie, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Sydney, Munster, Newport, Enna, Fort Loramie, Hutton, Port Jefferson, Lockington, New Bern, Egypt, Lake Loramie State Park, McCartyville, Swaunders, and Houston. This includes I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 86 and 100. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for the Miami Valley